what is this? This is a radiator again. Remember the little red one I done the other day? Remember that one? This is the same company. But I've never seen one. I've never seen one like this. You can guess what's going to happen with this one, can't you? This is a number 244 radiator, British made, registered design. The jaws are tiny. And they go to screws to nuts and bolts. So there's one. I mean, I've never seen one of these ever. It's had a bit of paint on it, by look at it. So that's a first for me. Not quite sure. If anyone knows, I might even Google it myself. Quite different, isn't it? Not much to hold it onto the bench though, really. Look, that's not a sturdy old design, is it? It's only got 2 holes. Now, one that came ages ago, and I have just never got round to doing. I know what this is. This is for like a laboratory. That goes. You have a big long bar, don't you? Bit of round stock. Oh no, it don't go through. It goes through that way. When it goes through that way, it's going to stop, isn't it? Oh, that's a bit more interesting than I thought. So obviously you can do that up, but there's a stopper, so that sits on top of something. It can go that way, but it can only go that far. Right. Oh, it's a double wobble. Alright. Yeah, should we give that a clean? Now you see, people, this is why I don't get tidied up. I've made a start, look. Yeah, I have made a start, and behind it's really reasonably tidy. But then I see this record 2 sitting here, and I thought, ain't never going to get that done. So let's get it done.